ASP's Pro DF and Pro AA are advanced programmable tactical flashlights. Each time you turn the Pro on, it defaults to its maximum brightness, over 300 lumens for the AA version and a blazing 500 lumens for the CR123 variant. But a quick double tap of the tail cap switch accesses a secondary light level that you pre-program. You can preset it to 15, 60, or 150 lumens or to strobe simply by rotating the bezel, cycling through the modes, and stopping at the one you want. Turn the bezel back and your secondary mode is locked in until you reprogram it. As the name suggests, the Pro AA uses two universally available AA batteries as its power source, while the Pro DF adds the versatility of dual fuel technology. The 18650 battery recharges right inside the light, or it can be swapped out for two optional CR123A single-use cells when needed. There are two different ways to buy the Pro DF. The rechargeable configuration includes the 18650 battery and all the charging accessories you'll need, or you can save some money by starting with the primary cell configuration with CR123 batteries and upgrade your light to fully rechargeable later by purchasing the optional charge kit. Both Pro lights feature ASP's trademark 3-position switch that lets you quickly and positively choose between constant on, intermittent, and locked. Materials and construction reflect ASP's obsessive attention to quality and detail. A sleek, distinctive spiral knurled drip is machined into the hardcoat anodized aluminum barrel. Under the hood is a genuine Cree LED, machined and polished reflector, German optical glass lens, gold-plated connectors, and much more. Pro flashlights are also compatible with ASP's tactical light case. The TLC is our unique, exclusive rotating belt carrier that turns your light into a hands-free illumination tool. Whether you're on the job, at home, or enjoying the outdoors, it's a must-have accessory.